you are a foreigner considering Brazil, there is one thing you absolutely need before looking at numbers. You need a map. Because Brazilian taxes are not confusing once you understand where you stand in the system. So in this video, I'm not going to scare you. I'm not going to sell shortcuts. I'm not going to overwhelm you with technical language. I'm going to explain clearly and in order which taxes apply to foreigners in Brazil and why. My name is Carla Padilha. I am a Brazilian attorney, and on this channel, I explain Brazil to foreigners legally, practically, and without myths. Brazilian tax law here starts with one simple question. Are you a tax resident in Brazil or not? That's it. Brazil does not tax based on nationality. It does not tax based on intention. It taxes based on tax residency. So let's go step by step. If you are a foreigner and you are not a Brazilian tax resident, Brazil does not tax your worldwide income. Brazil only taxes Brazilian source income. Brazil can tax rental income from property located in Brazil, income paid by Brazilian companies, services physically performed in Brazil. This income is usually taxed through withholding at the source. Typical rates are 15% in most cases, 25% in specific situations. As a non-resident, Brazil does not tax foreign salary, foreign pensions or retirement income, U.S. Social Security, foreign dividends, foreign capital gains. All of that remains outside the Brazilian tax system. And this is the non-resident framework. It's limited, objective, and predictable. Once you become a Brazilian tax resident, the framework changes. Not emotionally, not politically, legally. From that moment forward, Brazil applies taxation on a worldwide basis. And that means Brazil now looks at Brazilian income and foreign income. Let's break down exactly what involves. Main taxes that apply to tax resident foreigners. Personal income tax. Brazilian tax residents are subject to personal income tax called IRPF. This tax applies to employment income, self-employment income, retirement and pension income, foreign income. Brazil uses a progressive system with rates up to 27.5%. Foreign income must be declared and taxed monthly through a reporting system called Carnê Leão. This is not a fine, it's a standard reporting obligation for residents. Capital gains tax. If you sell assets after becoming a tax resident, capital gains may be taxable. This includes Brazilian real estate, Brazilian investments, foreign investments, and assets. Brazilian capital gains tax rates range from 15 to 22.5%, depending on the amount of the gain. Again, this applies because of residency, not nationality. Now, ownership taxes, this is a separate category. Some taxes apply regardless of tax residency. If you own property in Brazil, you pay IPTU, the annual property tax. If you own a vehicle in Brazil, you pay IPVA, the vehicle tax. And these are ownership taxes. They apply simply because the asset exists in Brazil. And how this interacts with the United States. For U.S. citizens and green card holders, this is an additional layer. The United States taxes based on citizenship. Brazil taxes based on residency. So it is possible for Brazil to tax income because you live there and the U.S. to require reporting of the same income. In practice, this is addressed through foreign tax credits and coordination between the two systems. But the starting point is always the same. Which Brazilian taxes apply to you? So let's summarize this clearly. If you are not a Brazilian tax resident, Brazil taxes only Brazilian source income. If you are Brazilian tax resident, Brazil taxes worldwide income, capital gains, and applies ownership taxes. This is the system, this is the structure, and this is rule-based. And once you understand this framework, Brazilian taxation stops being confusing. Brazilian taxes are not random, they are not hidden, and they are not designed to trap foreigners. They are applied based on clear legal categories. If you're considering moving to Brazil, investing here, or coordinating US and Brazilian taxation, you will find more information below. Like and subscribe so more foreigners can understand Brazil clearly before they make important life decisions. Muito obrigada.